What's up guys, Ahoy here with another quick Tamadoge update. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, only invest what you're willing to lose. Let's take a quick look here to see what's going on in Tamadoge charts today, this morning. Some people might say, well, we're in a bear market, so that's why the price is dropping. Others might say, well, this is just a big massive correction. Others might say, well, Tamadoge is crashing, it's done. And others may conclude, well, it's a clear pump and dump. And feel free to share your thoughts down below. Regardless how you want to call it, what they all have in common is that right now Tamadoge price is dipping, and is dipping pretty bad. And the only hope that Tamadoge has at this point is that if it reaches 3 cents, which was the pre-sale or the launch price at 3 cents, then the initial holders who bought at the pre-sale, then they will have to pretty much sustain or provide some sort of support at that line. Otherwise, if it breaks into the 3 cents and it starts battling going under 3 cents, okay, like in the high 2 cents, then you run the risk of the pre-sale holders, if they're still holding, you know, either all or partial of their Tamadoge, that they might even feel a little bit more fear, start to panic, and decide to just, you know, sell off. And in the past 15 minutes, every time I refresh here the page, I see that more and more Tamadoge holders are just selling off. They're leaving Tamadoge, which is not a good sign, because right now it does need some support. I even did a poll here like about a day or almost 2 days ago that I asked, if the price falls or drops below 5 cents, what will you do if you're going to buy, sell, or hold? And, you know, more than half said that they're going to, you know, I guess take advantage of the price, which is to buy if it falls under 5 cents. 50% of the votes, and I have like 170 votes, you know, based here on this poll. And so, yeah, so I guess most investors, it seems like they might want to, you know, invest or buy or add to the position. But as we're seeing right here, pretty much is just going at a downhill. Tamadoge has also launched their NFTs, and you guys can check out this video right here that I created yesterday. Is more in depth about the NFTs and what you guys need to know before you guys invest on these NFTs. And one of the things I mentioned in that video that you guys need to be aware of is shill bidding. But again, check out that video so you guys can get the full details. And the big question is, can Tamadoge recover? Can Tamadoge go back up? Can it go back to 20 cents, or maybe not 20 cents, but can it go back at least halfway, like around 10 cents, 11 cents? And in my opinion, okay, and again, not financial advice, in my opinion, I think Tamadoge, it can go back up, but they have to work really, really hard. They have to kind of gain the confidence of their investors again, and they can accomplish this by showing more stuff behind the scenes on what they're working on their arcade game, on their main game, and by providing more information on what they're working on based on the roadmap. One thing very interesting that I noticed on their Tamadoge website is that when you go here to the very bottom where it says links, and you could click on Whitepaper, and you guys can check it out by yourself, okay? So when you guys do that, you guys just scroll everywhere, and I don't know if you guys noticed something, but there's something missing here that was here available before, but now for some reason is not here, okay? I'm scrolling here back up, and nowhere here do they have the page with all their Tamadoge team, okay, with the head of growth, with the game developer, the rest of the team, the new members that have joined the team, that was initially showing when it was during the pre-sale, but now after the post-sale, which is already launched, it's not here anywhere. And feel free to comment down below if you're able to find it, because I search here everywhere and I can't seem to find it. And one last thing that I wanted to point out is this here where it says Q4 2022, okay, which is inside of their white paper currently. I mentioned here that they're going to have the Tamadoge battling leaderboard, and also the play to earn leaderboard and giveaway. This right here means that by then they should have already a game. And in fact, they did mention that they're going to have an arcade game ready, but it wouldn't be a play to earn game. It would be more just a simple arcade game, web-based, and you would have to wait a little bit longer to get the main game, which is going to actually have the play to earn crypto or to earn Tamadoge. Now, me personally, I don't think they're going to have the game ready by the end of this year, by the fourth quarter of 2022, like it shows here in the roadmap, simply because it does take a while. It does take a long time to actually make the game, prepare it. It takes money. You know, a lot of things that is involved to make it work. because it's not just a simple game, okay? You're making it into a play to earn, so there's money involved as well. And to make sure that everything is running well, because the last thing you want is a game that is hackable and that there's full of bugs. So they have to make sure that everything is ironed out before it launches, and even after it launches, they still have to iron out some minor wrinkles here and there, but that's just part of the process. And that's why I believe that I don't think it's they're going to be able to, that it's possible to get it done by the end of this year if they want to do a really good job on it. And to conclude, guys, right now, Tamadoge is starting to get a little bit more support. It's starting to pick up, getting close to the 5 cents area. And we just got to keep an eye on it to see how the market reacts throughout this day. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out my other videos and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.